In today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer software between two computers using AirDroid remote support. It's a super handy tool, and you can do everything remotely. Before we start, there are two things you should check. The first thing is that if you need to reactivate the license after moving the software. The second thing is that you should make sure the software is compatible with the target PC. After checking the two items, let's get started. Firstly, get the installers for local PC and remote PC from AirDroid official website. If you don't have an account, please sign up for an free account first. Then launch AirDroid remote support on the remote computer. You will see a 9-digit code. On the local PC, launch AirDroid Business and enter the code in ID Connect section. Then click Connect to initiate the remote connection. On the remote PC, click Accept to establish the remote connection. Lastly, find the installation package of the software you need to transfer and send to the remote computer via the chat box. Then install this software remotely. Once the installation is complete, you've successfully transferred and installed your software remotely. You can also use AirDroid remote support for other tasks, like troubleshooting or helping out a friend or colleague with their computer, all without leaving your desk. Now download and try AirDroid remote support for free. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.